Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Ready? Start. Challenge in these 471 writ petitions. These writ petitions have been placed before this full bench under orders of Honorable the Chief Justice dated 6/8/2011 on a reference made by a division bench in writ petition number 37443 of 2011 and other connected matters. Writ petition number 37443 of 2011 challenges the notifications dated 12/3/2008 issued under section 4 read with sections 17 within bracket 1 and 17 within bracket 4 of Land Acquisition Act and notification dated 30/6/2008 by which declaration was made for acquisition of 489.188 hectares land of village Patwari. Similar notifications under section 4 read with sections 17 within bracket 1, 14 within bracket 4 and section 6 of the Land Acquisition Act were issued with regard to different villages. Several writ petitions were filed challenging the land acquisition, which writ petitions came for hearing before the division bench on 26/7/2011. On the submissions made before the division bench was that the state had wrongly invoked the propositions of sections 17 within bracket 1 and 17 within bracket 4 of the Land Acquisition Act, hereinafter referred to as Act, and the right of objection under section 5A was wrongly dispensed with. Hence, the entire acquisition proceedings deserved to be set aside. The petitioners placed reliance on a division bench judgment of this court dated 19/7/2011 passed in writ petition number 17068 of 2009 Harkaran Singh versus State of UP and others, in which the judgment the division bench of this court held that the invocation of the propositions of sections 17 within bracket 1 and 17 within bracket 4 of the Act was not justified, and relying on the judgment of the apex court in Radheshyam versus State of UP reported in 2011 5 Supreme Court cases 533 and judgment of the apex court dated 6/7/2011 in Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority versus Devendra Singh reported in 2011 within bracket 6 ADJ 480 quashed the notification dated 12/3/2008 and 30/6/2008 Learned Counsel for the State, refuting the submissions of the Learned Counsel for the petitioners, relied on another division bench judgment of this court dated 25/11/2008 in writ petition number 45777 of 2008 Harish Chand and others versus State of UP and others, in which judgment invocation of section 17 within bracket 1 and 17 within bracket 4 was upheld and the writ petition was dismissed, in which same notifications dated 12/3/2008 and 30/6/2008 were under challenge. Faced with large number of writ petitions challenging the land acquisition by farmers of different villages of Greater Noida and Noida and 48, noticing to notifying views expressed by two different division benches on the same notifications, the division bench passed following under order on 26/7/2011. Against this background, prima facie, we are of the view that a larger bench is required to be forced for the purpose of hearing these matters not only in respect of village in question but also for all the question matters in respect of the New Okhla Industrial Development Authority and Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority for the ends of justice to reduce the fume and to avoid the multiplicity of the proceedings. Over.